thinking of getting rid of hair down there for the first time. You are bound to have questions such as, will it hurt? What the right technique? Is it safe? To answer all your queries, we have compiled different methods including DIY ones to help you pretty up your bikini area and be hair-free in a safe way. Shaving. The easy way out to get rid of hair from anywhere, anytime. But when it comes to your intimate area, it is essential to keep a few pointers in mind. Since this area is more delicate than others, you need to give it enough prep time before you actually start shaving. Tips. If this is your first time, trim the hair first with a pair of scissors. Next, clean the area with lukewarm water. Apply shaving gel or cream and let it stay for a few seconds before you start. Keep your legs apart and stretch your skin with the help of one hand. Use a razor to shave hair in the direction it grows from the area. Do not rush, as that can lead to red bumps later. Once you are done, wash the area thoroughly with water to get rid of any leftover gel or cream, and pat dry the area. Apply a light moisturizer to avoid itching sensations and redness. Wear comfortable underwear. Pros: shaving is inexpensive and handy. You can do it on your own. It is pain-free. Cons: you will have to do it more often as the growth is quicker. Doing it incorrectly can lead to cuts. Hair removal creams. Another painless method without the hassle of razors, shaving gels, etc. Hair removal cream is a popular DIY method to get rid of unwanted hair. But you need to keep in mind to choose the right one. If it is too strong for your skin, it can cause itching and rashes as it irritates your skin. If it is too mild, it won't give the desired results and you may end up with patchy hair growth. Tips. Always test the cream on your arm or leg before you proceed to the bikini area. Once you find the right cream, simply apply it on the area and wait for the said time, usually 10 to 15 minutes. Wash it with water to get rid of the hair and cream. Make sure the area is clean and that the cream is only on the outer part. If you experience any burning sensation, wash the area with water immediately. Once the procedure is over, pat dry the area. Pros: it is quick and easy. It is a hassle-free, painless procedure. Cons: can cause rashes if skin is too sensitive. The cream usually has a strong chemical odor which stays for some time on the skin. Bikini wax. This method is painful, no doubt, but it gives better and long-lasting results. Many people may not want to remove all the hair but only have a clean bikini line. In that case, going for a bikini wax is a good idea. Though you may find DIY kits in the market, it is best to go to a salon than do it yourself, as it gets difficult to get the right angle and can be more painful too. Also read how to make bikini waxing less painful. Tips. Make sure you go to a salon which is hygienic and uses disposable waxing strips. Let the lady know if the wax is too hot for your skin. You may experience redness even after the treatment is over if your skin is too sensitive. Apply a cold compress ice to soothe the area and wear comfortable innerwear. It will leave your skin feeling soft and smooth for weeks after the initial pain. Pros: long-lasting results. The skin is smooth as silk. No growth for weeks. Cons: painful. It has to be done by a salon expert. Skin feels numb for a few hours after the treatment. Read these tips to avoid side effects of waxing. Brazilian wax. This method became quite popular in the West and slowly crawled its way here too. Though it may not be available at all salons, you may find it in big chains. Brazilian wax is nothing but waxing the entire bikini area to make it completely hairless. This means you need to bare it all and apply hot wax in your most intimate areas. It is quite painful and is only done when the hair is fully grown. The complete region is waxed using a special wax. Many salons abroad leave a strip of hair in the front or make patterns out of it. Some even offer to color the strip of hair. Tips. Some salons may also offer an anesthetic cream to numb the pain, so ask for one if you cannot bear the pain. You may first want to give bikini wax a try before opting for a Brazilian one. Apply ice to soothe the area after you are done and wear something comfortable. Pros: the thickness of hair recedes over time. The bikini area remains clean and hair-free for weeks. Cons: it is extremely painful. You have to wait for the hair to grow back completely before your next session. You will have to bare your intimate area to the salon lady. Laser hair reduction. Laser hair reduction technique has become a rage for some time. It is touted as the best way to get rid of unwanted body hair and is also safe. This method needs to be monitored by a medical expert so that it is done correctly. The laser beam is used to burn the hair follicle, which results in permanent hair reduction over a period of sessions. Since the bikini region is very sensitive, you may experience pain and a tingling sensation even after the application of an anesthetic cream. Laser methods make the hair lighter and finer, but there may still be fine hair growth. Tips. Trim the area before you go for a session. Make sure you are not menstruating. Laser shows best results in people who have dark, thick hair growth. Pros: it yields good results as the hair becomes fine. It is a nearly permanent solution for hair reduction. Cons: it is painful. Multiple sessions are needed. It can be expensive. So choose any method of hair removal you like and be hair-free down there. If you are uncomfortable getting it done from a professional, stick to a DIY method, or else you can visit a salon for other methods.